Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a chocolate berry flag cake with fresh raspberries and blueberries. While everybody makes these flag cakes with vanilla cake, I'm making it with chocolate. This moist and fluffy cake is topped with whipped cream frosting and fresh blueberries and raspberries for the design of the American flag. This cake makes a perfect dessert for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, or any summer barbecue. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to use my stand mixer today because we're making a 9 by 13 inch cake, so it's kind of a lot of cake batter. But if you guys want to make this with a hand mixer, that's totally okay too. Just make sure you have a large mixing bowl. So first we're going to add our butter into our stand mixing bowl, and you want to make sure that your butter is super soft for this cake. Try to leave it out and let it soften at room temperature. That's always best. It should be really soft like this. Next we're going to add in our cane sugar. And then of course some vanilla extract. Now we're going to cream together the butter and sugar until everything is smooth and there's no chunks of butter. Next we're going to add in 4 large eggs. Next we're going to add in 1 cup of milk. Then half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we're going to mix on low until combined. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl. This is going to ensure you get everything combined completely. Next we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. Then our Dutch processed cocoa powder that's been sifted. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix on low until combined and we have a smooth cake batter. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl partway through mixing. This is going to ensure that everything is combined and we have a smooth cake batter with no lumps. So now we're going to line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper. Now if you guys aren't lining with parchment paper, just want to make sure you grease your pan really well. I just always like to use parchment paper because I like to remove the cake completely, so it makes it super easy. Now we're just going to transfer our batter and spread it out evenly. So now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the cake is done. To test to see if your cake is done, you want to make sure you use a toothpick in the center of the cake. If you guys don't have a toothpick, you can use a butter knife, you can use a chopstick. You just want to make sure that it comes out pretty clean. It can have a few moist crumbs on it, that's okay, but you don't want it to come out wet looking like batter. That means it's not done. So once our cake is cooled, now it's time to make the whipped cream frosting. And you guys are going to need your stand mixer with the whisk attachment. Or if you guys want to use a hand mixer for this, you can, but the stand mixer is just so much faster whenever making whipped cream frosting. So first we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream. Then we're going to add in our sifted powdered sugar. And then of course some vanilla extract. Now we're going to whisk starting on low to avoid splattering. Continue until you're at full speed. Then you're going to whisk until the whipped cream frosting doesn't fall right off the whisk. So once our whipped cream frosting looks like this, then it's done. So now we have our whipped cream frosting done and we're going to remove our cake from our pan. And you want to place it on whatever you guys plan to serve this on. I just like to dump the cake out upside down, that way we have the bottom on top so it's super flat. And then we just need to rinse off our blueberries and our raspberries for the flag design. And now if you guys don't have raspberries, you can also use strawberries, that works too, or if you just like them better, go for it. But I love using raspberries because you don't have to chop them, so it makes it so much easier. So let's make this cake look like an American flag. So now that we have everything ready, we're just going to spread the whipped cream frosting evenly across the entire cake. Then to make the flag, we're just going to start at the left-hand corner and we're going to add 7 blueberries in a row right at the top. Then you're going to add 4 more rows of blueberries. This little square of blueberries is going to act as the stars of the flag. Then we're going to add our raspberries for the stripes. And now look at how gorgeous this chocolate berry flag cake is. This cake makes a perfect dessert for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, or any summer barbecue. You guys just need to make sure that if you're making this ahead of time, that you store this cake in the fridge because of the whipped cream frosting. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy cake recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.